Okay, once again, I am that Goth guy, and today I'm going to be flying over something called the church, the mill, the coffee house. There we go, we are good. At the moment, the drone is saying unable to take off, but that might be because I'm under a shelter. Nope, it's just got a lock. I am a little close to myself, and I am sat under a bus shelter. So I'm going to very carefully fly out from behind the bus shelter, fly way up in the air, not too far. I'm going to turn my Wi-Fi back on because that always goes off, and I wish I knew a way to stop that happening. So we're going to fly that way initially, just so I can get away from the road. We're going to fly way up. I can still see her. We're going to fly. There we go. So this is the place I want to actually get to see. There's a lot of birds there, and I don't want them attacking my drone. And I kind of feel like they're going to. Yeah, they're going to. We're coming down. We're having to do some stunts here because these birds will not leave my drone alone. I'm guessing they're nesting inside the building, so we didn't really get much there, but that's a lot of birds, and that's a risk I'm not willing to take because I don't want to get hit whilst flying, and they've all just gone straight back to the building. So yeah, it's clear that building is actually being used as their nest. I'm going to turn the camera towards the building a little bit. That was not worth it. There was about 20 to 30 birds that all started to swoop around the drone. I think they're protecting their nest there, and it wasn't worth the fly. So I'm very sorry. This has been that Goth guy. This was a really bad one, but at the same time, it just shows you what can happen. All the birds have gone again. But as soon as I take that drone back up, they're going to come back because I can see them on top of the chimney over there. Anyway, I've been that Goth guy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.